So welcome back, children. Let us go into the book back exercises of chapter 4. So this is your PEP activity 4.1. Create a banner for inaugurating an ice cream parlor. The details are given below. Have you all written the details inside? Yes. So inside this we'll be writing invitation, isn't it? So it can be invitation, or you can write ice cream parlor name, the Dream Cream invitation. Okay, so inaugural of Dream Cream. Likewise, you can write anything over there. It's your wish and your thing. Okay, just I am writing invitation. Okay, then the next one, venue, where it has been inaugurated. Written, it's in GT Road, Chennai. Yes, so the venue is GT Road, Chennai. Date, it's 25th December. Time, it's 11 a.m. and inaugurated by Rahul Dravid, the former Indian cricketer. So you want to write this in the invitation in a stylish way. Okay, in a stylish way, in your different color and different thing. You want to write, it is your own creativity. Got it, children? So you want to write it in a different colors, different style, different font, whatever. But the invitation should look attractive. Okay, like if you are giving some cards to anyone, right? If you make something to make it attractive. Likewise, you want to write this text in an attractive manner. Got it, children? Yes? Okay, we can get it in the next PEP activity. Sorry, next activity, it's think ending. Identified and list the attributes used in this web page given below. Okay, so you want to identify and list the attributes used in the web page given below. In this, what are all the attributes used? Can you guess? Color attribute is used. Yes, center attribute is used. Font family, float, font size is being used. So color, float, font family and font size is being used in this HTML program to make this output. Okay, so what are the list attributes? What are all the attributes used in this web page? Color attribute, float attribute, font family and font size. These four style attributes are used to make this output. Okay, so what are all the attributes? Once again I am saying color, float, font family and font size. We saw these style attributes in your theory part, right? The next activity, 6 words related to CSS background are hidden inside this puzzle. Find them. Use the hints given below. So there are some hints. It is like a puzzle, right? So in this puzzle, you want to find it and you want to mark it. Okay, so you want to find the answer and you want to write it here. You want to find the answer. Okay, write it here and you want to mark it. Got it, children? So you want to write it here. I'll show what are all the answers, the correct answers here. But you want to mark it here. Okay, you want to mark it. COLOR, color is here. Position is, okay, I'll see one by one, we'll see. Okay, so I decide where the image must be placed. What is the answer for this? Once again, I'll repeat the question. I decide where the image must be placed. I decide where the image must be placed. It's in position. Okay, so you want to write the answer, position here, and position where the position is there. POSITION. Yes, here POSITION, position. You want to write that. Okay, children. I add picture to the background. Which one add picture to the background? Can you guess the attribute? Guess. Once again, I'll repeat it. I add picture to the background. What is the correct answer? Image. So, image adds picture to the background. Where is image here? Can you see where is image? See, I M A Image. Please mark it. Okay. Image. You want to mark it. Circle it. Okay. So position here. Here position. Image like this. The next question is hint for the next attribute. I decide the starting position of the picture. Okay, which one decides the starting position of the picture? Can you guess it? Origin. So, origin decides the starting position for the picture. Okay, where is that origin? See here. O-R-I-G-I-N. Origin. So, please circle this. So, third question. I decide the starting position for the picture. The answer for this is origin. Origin is there, here, right? Origin. The next question, fourth one. I can make the picture display multiple times. So, we saw, right, how to display the picture multiple times in the background. So, how, which attribute helps in making the picture display multiple times? Can you guess? I can make the picture display multiple times is repeat. Okay, so repeat attribute helps in the displaying the picture multiple times. Where is repeat here? Can you see where is repeat here? Yes? Can you guess where is repeat here? See? R-E-P-E-A-T. Repeat. Please make a circle around this repeat. Okay? I'll once again show you. R-E-P-E-A-T. Repeat. The next one, fifth question. I can make the background look attractive and colorful. So, I can make the background look attractive and colorful. What is the answer for this? Color. Yes, color. C-O-L-O-R. Color. C-O-L-O-R. Color. So, color is the answer for the fifth question. I can make the background look attractive and colorful. The next question. I can make the picture appear smaller as well as larger. Okay. So, sixth question. I can make the picture appear smaller as well as bigger. What is the answer for this? Size. Size. S-I-Z-E. Size. Right to left. Okay. So, this is the answer for the sixth question. I can make the picture appear smaller as well as bigger. Size. Okay, children. I'll once again show you where the answers are. First question answer position, it's here. Second question answer image is here. I-M-A-G-E, image. Third question origin, here origin. Repeat. Repeat. And color. Color. And size. S-I-Z-E. Okay, children? Yes? Have you written and marked it? I hope you are doing along with the video. Okay? Please complete it along with the video itself so that it will be very easy for you. The next one. If you were allowed to create a new property or attribute for background, what will it be? Okay, these are all the attribute or property which has been there. And if you want to add something, okay, you create it. If you want something to be added, what it will be? In my case, it can be audio and video. Okay. So, you can write your own answers also here. Okay. What attribute or what property you can add for the background. Okay, children. So, in my thing, it is audio and video. Got it, children? It is the look beyond. If you are allowed to create a new property or attribute for background, it will be audio and video. The next one, look at the output and identify the attribute used for it. New Delhi is capital of. What is this? Text overflow, ellipsis. Okay, India, text decoration, overline. Once again. So, these are all the answers for your look beyond. Look at the output, identify. First one answer, text overflow ellipsis. Second one answer, India, before top of India we are having a line, so text decoration overline. HTML is a web base. Here text transformation, capitalize each letter, right? Attributes give this text transfer lowercase letter. This word wrap, that is breaking the word. India, New Delhi is capital of India. Okay children, I think you all wrote this. We can go into the next one. Have you all copied this in your book? I hope you all copied this in your book. The next one, take concept. Have you seen this symbol? What does it mean? Yes, we have seen this symbol. This symbol means the content available in a web page is copyrighted. Okay. So this symbol means the content available in a page is copyrighted. Write this. The next one. Choose the correct answer. First question, which attribute you use to define the font type? Font family. Which attribute is used to set the right margin? C. Margin right. Which property is used to add the background image? Background image. Fourth question answer, text align. That is, which property specifies the alignment of the image? Text align. Which property is used to wrap the content? Word wrap. Okay children, so choose the correct answer. First question, which attribute is used to define the font type? Font family first. Which attribute is used to set the right margin? Margin right. Which property is used to add the background image? Background image. Which property specifies the alignment of the image? Text align. And which property is used to wrap the content? It is word wrap. Okay children. So these are all the answers for the choose the correct answer. Please write it. Identify the attributes. I have a family of styles for the appearance of the text. It is font family. I am used to put a top boundary line. It is margin top. I can split the word when it cannot fit, word wrap. I follow whatever you do, that is text shadow. So these are all the attributes which we want to write it. Okay, so identify the attributes. I have a family of styles for appearance of the text, font family. I am used to put a top boundary line, margin top. I can split the word when it can fit in, when it cannot fit in the end, it's word wrap. And I follow whatever you do, it is text shadow. Have you all written this? I hope all wrote these, choose and identify the attributes in your book. Can we go into the next one? So answer the following. Answer the following. Look at the content. Content is in a book, and identify the attributes. The attributes used are text decoration, text shadow, and text transform. Okay. So the Mark Zuckerberg we have seen, right? So Ritu had created a web page using HTML. The page did not display heading as underlined. What is wrong? You want to correct the code. The corrected code is text decoration underline. Line la vandu we are having some space. The space should not be there. Okay, the correct code is underline without space. Okay, children. So this is the second question answer. Text decoration underline. You want to write all these with the questions in your classwork note. Please write these 3 questions in your classwork note. What does these symbols imply? The tilde is denotes a personal web page. C. Copyright. The information available in the website is copyrighted. We cannot use it for our own purpose. Okay. Okay, children. Yes, with this our chapter 4 is completed. Answer the following. You want to write it in the classwork. Book exercises. All the exercises you want to complete. Make a in Adobe Scanner itself, scan it from the PEP activity. All the activities along with the book back exercise. Listen carefully. All the activities along with the book back exercises and also the classwork, this note. These everything you want to make it as a single PDF called as chapter 4. Okay. Attributes and background. Make it and you want to upload it in your classroom. Project time next week. In the next class, we'll see the project time programs and some sample programs using this. Okay, children, because it will be a very big program. So, we want a whole half an hour. So, please write everything and make it ready. Next week, we'll see children. Thank you. Next week, I'll show you how to make a online HTML, how you'll be writing and how will be coding and how you will be running the HTML program online in your mobile itself. Okay children, so next class we'll see that. Thank you. Write it and post it.